and I'm going to show you a very beautiful house in DiamondHD area. The listing agent is David Kadora. I'm going to show you this brand new house. This house has 4 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms. The size is 5,941 square feet. The living room is a high ceiling space with the big windows. The natural light comes in and we can see the landscape makes this house more like a resort. How do you like it? We can tell the first floor is completely the open floor design. The dining area connected with the outdoor lanai. I love the indoor space extended to outdoor. Look at the beautiful surroundings. Don't you feel like you are in the resort? The modern floor-to-ceiling glass door is easy to open by one hand. This open kitchen has a luxury Viking kitchen equipment, including convection oven, dishwasher, microwave, range oven, and refrigerator. I also like the kitchen backsplash. It looks modern. Oh, by the way, do you know what it is? This is the faucet to aid in the water to your pot. This is the first suite for grandparents. It has a very big window, so we can see the outdoor view. This is a bathroom. So we have the walk-in shower room. For grandparents, it's easy for them to take shower. This house has a special powder room for ladies. And for mommies to feed their babies. This is the guest restroom. This is the laundry room and we have the solar panel connected with the heater. Now we are in the second floor. We can see the beautiful neighborhood and beautiful swimming pool. What a great view. Also, we can see the DiamondHD from this angle. That's the lanai from the second bedroom. Look at the view, stunning. We can see the cocoa head. This is the second suite. It's beautiful too. This is master bedroom. I love this master bedroom. It's really beautiful. We also can see the beautiful DiamondHD view from the bathroom. Stunning. We are going to the rooftop. Look at this. It's breathtaking. It's beautiful. This house has 360-degree diamond head and cocoa head view. This is a cocoa head and we can see the ocean. Buyer's benefit. If you're going to buy this house, you can also buy this Bentley. I hope you enjoyed today's open house tour. Mahalo!